Hello students, this is your MSc class. We will continue our online classes. Chapter 9, Thankfulness. Here is one story. Niranjan and Ajit were friends. Ajit's birthday was a few days away. Niranjan was very excited. He had saved his pocket money for a long time so that he could buy Ajit the pencil box he liked. The night before Ajit's birthday, Niranjan slept late. He wrapped Ajit's gift in shiny colorful paper. He also wrote a nice note in the card he had bought for Ajit. Niranjan and Ajit, they were good friends. And Ajit's birthday was a few days away. And Niranjan was very excited because his birthday is coming. And Niranjan saved his pocket money for a long time so that he could buy a gift for Ajit. The night before Ajit's birthday, Niranjan slept late because he wrapped Ajit's gift in one small, shiny, colorful paper. See the picture. He also wrote a nice note in the card he had bought for Ajit and one small card he made. At school, Ajit was very happy. There was a crowd of boys wishing him and giving him presents. Niranjan gave his gift to Ajit. Ajit took it from him and put it on his desk with the other presents. And at school, Ajit was very happy because his birthday, and there were a crowd of boys. All boys are wishing him and giving him their presents to Ajit. And Niranjan also gave his gift to Ajit. Ajit took it from him and put it on his desk with other presents. He then opened all the presents. He thanked all the other boys but forget to thank Niranjan. He took out the gift and opened it and he gave thanks to every boys, but he forgot to give thanks his friend Ajit. Niranjan felt sad and went back to his desk. Ajit forgot to give thanks to Niranjan. And Niranjan felt sad and went back to his desk. Soon it was time for class and the children settled down to work. The teacher saw Niranjan looking sad and asked, "What's wrong?" And Niranjan was very sad because Ajit did not give him thanks. And teacher saw Niranjan was looking very sad, and teacher asked to Niranjan, "What's wrong?" Then said Niranjan, "Ajit did not even thank me," said Niranjan. The teacher taught the class a special lesson that day. It was a poem, and that day the teacher taught one special lesson. That poem is "Hearts like doors will open with ease. Two very very little keys. Don't forget that two of these are thank you and please." And that day they learned one beautiful poem, that is, hearts like doors will open, and it has two very very little keys, that is thank you and please. You don't forget that. Suddenly Ajit looked at Niranjan. He remembered that he had not said thank you to him. He felt very ashamed. During lunch break, Ajit went over to Niranjan's desk with the present and said, "This pencil box is beautiful. I really like it. Thank you. It is my favorite gift." Now Niranjan felt happy and very special. When the teacher taught them this beautiful poem, that is, don't forget that to give thank you and please. This is two very beautiful keys of two doors. Then suddenly Ajit looked at Niranjan and he remembered that he did not give thank to Niranjan and he felt very ashamed. And during lunch break, Ajit went to Niranjan and said, "This is beautiful gift for me. I like it. Thank you so much," said Ajit. "And it is my favorite gift," said. So now Niranjan felt very happy because his friend gave his thanks. Moral of the story: we need to thank our family members, teachers, and friends for all that they give us and teach us. There are many ways to thank people. We can say thank you to them. We can show how grateful we are by giving them a huge or a kiss. And this thank you, this simple word, we have to give our family members, teachers, and friends, and all the elders and all the people. If they give something or teach something. And children, always we have to be thankful.